So, good morning, children. In the last class, we studied about thermometer and properties of mercury, properties of alcohol, and clinical thermometer. So, today we move on to the next one, that is laboratory thermometer. Okay. Laboratory thermometers are used to measure the temperature in school and for other scientific researchers. Okay, in clinical thermometer we are using this clinical thermometer to measure the temperature of a human body in a clinic or at home. Here laboratory thermometer is used to measure the temperature in school and other laboratories, okay, or other laboratories for some scientific research. Okay, so these are mainly used in the industry. This laboratory thermometers are mainly used in industry, using in industrial purpose. Okay, because that laboratory thermometers can measure temperatures higher than that of the clinical thermometer. So laboratory thermometers are widely used in industrial purpose, in industry only, because it can measure the temperature higher than that of the clinical thermometer. So what is the main difference between the clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer is that stem in thermometer, in laboratory thermometer, the stem and the bulb is so much longer. Okay, you can see in the picture in book page number 5, you can see the picture. In book page number 4, clinical thermometer given ma, and book page number 5, laboratory thermometer figure given ma. So you check that stem in laboratory thermometer, the stem and the bulb of the laboratory thermometer is so much longer when compared to that of clinical thermometer. And one more difference is in laboratory thermometer, in lab thermometer, there is no kink, but in clinical thermometer, I said no, there is a kink, because what is that main purpose of that kink? Um, it prevents that flowing back of mercury into the bulb in clinical thermometer. But in laboratory thermometer there is no kink. That is the main difference. One is stem and bulb is longer, and there is no kink in the laboratory thermometer. And one more difference is in clinical thermometer, two scales are there, Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. But in laboratory thermometer it has only one scale, that is Celsius scale. Okay, in laboratory thermometer only one Celsius scale alone in a laboratory thermometer, that ranging from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110, that is 110 degree Celsius. These are the things about laboratory thermometer. Then what are the precautions while using the laboratory thermometer is you don't tilt that thermometer. Okay, while measuring the temperature, you don't tilt. Next one, note the reading only when the bulb has been surrounded by the substance from all sides. Okay, you have to note the reading while the bulb is surrounded from all the substances. Okay, all the sides. So that is the precautions to be followed while using the laboratory thermometer. The next one is digital thermometer. The next one is in every home nowadays we are having digital thermometer, right. Mm, these digital thermometers are available, which we are not use that mercury in digital thermometer. There is no mercury. It has a sensor. Okay, it has a sensor which can measure the heat, that heat that is come out from the body directly, and we can measure the temperature of the body. So digital thermometers, there is a sensor. That sensor, it can measure the heat of the body, comes out of the that heat comes out of the body. It can measure, the sensor can measure. So that is the difference in digital thermometer. Okay, So here other three thermometers. First one is clinical, next one is laboratory thermometer, third one is digital thermometer. In book page number 5, activity number 3 given ma. For that you have, if you are having clinical thermometer, if you are having in your home, if you are having clinical thermometer, means you have to do this activity number 3. Okay, for that you have to take that clinical thermometer, and you place that thermometer. Before that you have to that precaution given in your book, please go and read that. You have to take the precaution steps, and after that you have to place the clinical thermometer under your tongue or in armpit. Then you have to note down the temperature of your body. That is one activity. Then next one activity, page number 6, that is if you are having digital thermometer, means that also using that digital thermometer also you have to measure your body temperature. That is the activity. Okay, so activity number 3 and 5 you have to do. Okay, if you are having clinical thermometer, means clinical thermometer. Then if you are having digital, means you have to measure the temperature of your body. Okay, thank you.